Here's new job update by data science lovers. Twitter is looking for the role of data scientist. The job location is Toronto, Canada. What would be your job role as a data scientist in Twitter? First, you will work closely with our partners in product, engineering, design, and research to understand customer behavior, inform product decisions, and increase healthy participation on Twitter. Second, you will support the entire product development lifecycle from product ideation to opportunity sizing, from measurement design to experimentation, from causal analysis to post-launch learning, and iteration into the next development cycle. Third, you will analyze how changes to the platform affect customer behavior and business outcomes. Fourth, you will also communicate findings to cross-functional partners and use data to improve the team's strategy. Some required skills for this job are: you are a data scientist with a track record of delivering results. You find satisfaction in collaborating with partners and shipping changes that deliver measurable business impact. You apply machine learning and data science techniques when applicable, but are just as happy to implement a simple heuristic if it meets business needs. You are looking to join a strong, high-performing team. Along with this, you are great at 1. Collaborating with product managers, engineers, and designers to drive business impact through data science. 2. Performing analyses on raw event data in modern data warehouse systems. 3. Taking ambiguous business and technical problems to an appropriate solution. 4. Defining metrics and using data to better understand customer needs. The qualifications and experience required for this job are: advanced degree in a quantitative field, PhD will be preferred. Expertise in solving complex and highly impactful quantitative business problems with at least one scripting language, Python, R, etc., and SQL. Experience with one or more of the following in an applied setting: developing statistical frameworks to understand customers and their behaviors. Advanced statistical techniques for A/B testing, methods for experimental design, causal inference, or quasi-experimental analysis. Good to have, ability to create, improve reproducible analysis libraries, and experience with PSpark or BigQuery.
To apply for this job, you have to fill in some required information on the application form, starting with your updated resume. The application link is given in the description box of the video.
To get all the latest job updates, subscribe the channel with the bell icon.